So what's up? We're back with the mods. Just finished something on this wagon right here real quick. Power folding mirrors. I love how that is. Got some updates on the Civic. Got some updates on the wagon. So I'm gonna try to compile. I have a couple videos. I'll compile them all to here so you guys can see the updates that I have on the cars. I love this. All right, so like I showed a little bit in that clip, I just got the power folding mirrors on the wagon installed. They do have the blue tint on them, and I just have to lock and unlock. I did it with no switch. I just did it with the key fob. So when I unlock, I'll open those up. Love that. I'm not supposed to mod the wagon, so you know, just little mods like that don't really count. But I think it's cool. I love it. So new tires are mounted. Looking good again. So let's see if it does that sound. Obviously when I leave, not now. But the stretch, so it's the same size tire, but these tires stretch a little bit less. So they don't have like that gap like they were before. So I have to throw some tire shine on there to get the fitment right. Looks good. And on the Civic, we have the Tesla wheels on, aero caps. Looks good. And then the other side, we still have the cone eggs. So I wanted to keep both styles on one side. And then on the wagon, I have the touring wheels, the Accord Tourings that I put on because the stocks were not doing it for me.